PM magang'we kinda mosir kod bengi ma Standard Chartered mong'ere kaka Stanchart Marathon 2025 dhi timore Jumapil mar tarik 26 dweni. Malayo jong'wech 30,000 osendikore ne piem makamano. Komanda mar obila mochung'ne apaya kata traffic police e boma ma Nairobi Joseph Chirchir oyango ni apaya ma Southern Bypass ibiro lor kochakore Ole Sereni nyaka e boma Kikuyu mar chiwo thuolo ne piem makamano.
We intend to close the road at midnight of 25th. Vehicles that are supposed to use Southern Bypass as from Ole Sereni, we will divert to use Mombasa Road all the way to Uhuru Highway and to their own destinations. Those coming from Kikuyu direction, we will use the other main highway because the road will be under closure. We will deploy enough personnel to direct the vehicles and also the human traffic that are destined to the function.
So that's the highest ever. We closed 1 month before, which is really exciting. You can be assured that we will continue with this trend in the future years.